Okay. So you're telling me you didn't walk into Target, take 2 bottles of liquor? You didn't come from Target? So if I search you, you're not going to have any bottles of liquor on you?
I do have alcohol.
You have the alcohol, which is good.
Penny, the good shit.
Come on, Kevin.
So instead of coming back in another day with your money, just okay.
Hey, sir. Were you just at the Target? Yes, I think you were. You were described as the person at the Target, walked out with 2 bottles of liquor?
I didn't leave Target.
You didn't go into the Target? Okay.
Oh, it's just my buddy Joe. Right here,
Where were you at?
Berkemer, I found my buddy Joe.
Okay. So you're telling me you didn't walk into Target, take 2 bottles of liquor? Okay. I forgot your name. I've met you before. Kevin. Okay. So where were you coming from, Kevin?
My buddy Joe, just over here.
I'm sorry? Well, I'm sorry.
Joe
Can you give me a second? Can you give me a second? Can you step back? I just need to talk to you for a second.
Right?
Hold on. Kevin, talk to me. So where are you coming from?
Right next door at the Mexican restaurant.
The Mexican restaurant? You didn't come from Target? So if I search you, you're not going to have any bottles of liquor on you?
I do have alcohol.
You have the alcohol? Where'd you get it from?
I do have alcohol.
Okay, where'd you get it from?
The Jewel.
From the Jewel?
The Jewel, yeah.
When?
Earlier today.
What time?
About 12:30.
Okay.
That's why I was meeting my buddy Joe over here.
And you weren't at the Target? Okay, if we watch video, is that going to show us you taking the bottles? Because they're about to give you the video.
Okay.
Okay. Are you sure, Kevin?
Positive.
Alright, hold on.
All right, Kevin.
On December 10th, 2024, an officer responded to a retail theft complaint at a Target store in Illinois. A caller described a male subject who had exited the store concealing 2 bottles of liquor. The officer located a man matching that description, identified only as Kevin near an adjacent restaurant. This footage, recorded on an AXON Body 3 camera, raises 3 distinct legal questions worth examining.
You're not free to go. Do me a favor. I'm going to pat you down for anything. You got anything on you? Going to poke me, stab me, anything?
No, I'm just going to bottles over here.
Okay. Nothing sharp?
No.
Okay. Do me a favor. Put your hands behind your back. You are being detained. You are not under arrest. You understand?
Can I get the bottles from your jacket?
Okay.
All right, Kevin. Is this your phone, buddy? Yes, sir. All right. I'm going to put it in your pocket, okay?
They're in here.
Yeah. Okay.
I can't hear you. I don't have any outside pocket.
Penny, the good shit.
Come on, Kevin.
Still me and my friend Joe.
I know, Kevin, but you didn't have these. I just literally saw you.
I just got this from my friend Joe. Yeah.
I saw you.
At the Mexican restaurant.
Yeah, thank you. Stay here, miss. Anything else?
First, was the initial stop constitutionally valid? Under Terry v. Ohio, 1968, an investigatory detention requires reasonable, articulable suspicion, not probable cause, not a warrant, a specific dispatch report describing a named store, a physical description, and a specific act concealing liquor satisfies that threshold without question. The stop was legally sound from the moment the officer made contact. That issue is closed. Second, was the pat-down and recovery of the bottles lawful? Terry permits a protective frisk when an officer reasonably believes the detainee may be armed and dangerous. The officer obtained verbal consent before proceeding, a layer of authorization that makes suppression on Fourth Amendment grounds virtually impossible here. When the bottles were recovered directly from Kevin's jacket, the plain field doctrine under Minnesota v. Dickerson, 1993, rendered them immediately admissible. No warrant, no violation. The physical evidence, in this case, is airtight.
I got my charger sitting on there.
This is your phone.
Oh,
Yeah, I put it in.
Sorry for that.
What are in the balloons?
Nothing. They're just deflated.
You have drugs in here?
No, I'm not.
Are you sure you don't have any drugs in here?
I'm positive. Yeah, you can go ahead and turn them open if you want. Not gonna hurt.
I want to make sure that I don't have any.
No, you can go ahead and turn them open if you want.
do you want to sit in my car for the time being until we figure this out? Because it's freezing. Your call.
Okay. Can I actually have a cigarette?
Yeah, actually, you can.
Awesome.
Where's your cigarettes?
Somewhere
Here?
here.
In this pocket?
I didn't pull out a
I'm
cigarette.
not sure I can do it.
Yeah, I didn't pull any of the cigarettes out of your pocket.
Oh,
I'm not going nowhere. You have to cut me.
That's
I'm not
fair.
dangerous. You guys have seen me. You guys have seen me before. Like, you know.
Yeah, I know who you are. I mean,
I'm just trying to see. I think they were in that pocket.
This one?
I thought they were in this
So
other
they
pocket.
signed complaints.
huh? Yeah.
Yeah, it's Target.
I think they're in the
Up here?
I think that's what we did.
It's a lot of bottles.
I pulled out a bunch of It's not your
What, I dropped them?
You might have. There ain't no cigarettes, dude. Nobody here
I
smokes.
just put them out. Oh, probably
They're
in
in
one of these camel pockets because my shirt's stuck there.
No. 20 bucks?
I guess not.
10-4.
Okay,
Is that
never mind.
the, I
Sorry
sent you
about
the
that.
photo, is that our guy?
150 for
No, yeah, he's got a wrap though. We gotta check his wrap.
Send they confirm.
We gotta check his wrap because.
Alright, 10-4.
I'm sure he's got.
Alright, it's just in a regular cigarette.
Let's see, I guess it'll happen.
Oh, I think you do. Unless they're in.
Yeah, you could write them, but as long as he's got a sheet. Still.
We'll knock it out. We'll knock it out in a half hour max. Yeah.
Got it?
Are you able to pull it up in your squad or no?
What?
His grant.
No.
I can't do it.
I have the,
Pretty sure I know.
Judge, I got the number for that for 190.
Oh, you do? Can you do it?
Yeah.
Yeah, go
Oh,
ahead.
okay, yeah, you put it.
Have fun.
You got his ID? I don't know who he is.
What's your last name, Kevin?
You want to leave?
I'm
All right.
talking to him, so. You have an ID?
I know what my license is.
License number?
Just say, hey, listen, how many larceny?
Yeah.
Yo, you just give me,
I have a,
give me the box score.
I have a
or I'll
residential
send
and
it
a drug charge from McCarty
to you.
County.
Yeah.
Or charge. What about
Conviction.
theft? Nothing.
Robbery, larceny, retail theft, anything like that?
Residential burglary, like conviction, and
Is that still lit?
actually it's not a conviction because I'm in probation for it.
Well, yeah, but did you violate?
Kevin, what's your last name again?
And I've got I finished it with a drug charge out of McCarty County.
You just ask them to run a CQH over there and then give them whatever they got. They would probably just have shoulders.
Huh? Yeah, freezing. But otherwise, yeah, I'm good.
You pulled up.
Oh, I'm so cold.
When we tell Schultz just to pull out, just get the training receipt and get whatever
Yeah.
video he can, and or an email.
They're gonna send it through
Oh, Exxon?
Yeah, they're Axon.
Okay.
Where's all the booze?
I put it in her car on the bottom.
All right, and then just make sure you take a picture of the booze, and then we'll bring it. Oh, we can do it there too. All right. You have the right to remain silent. Do you understand? Anything you say can and will be
Just do me a favor, go over there.
law. Do you understand? You have the right to talk to a lawyer, have him or her present with you while you're being questioned. Do you understand? If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. Do you understand? You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions and make any statements. Do you understand? All right.
Third, and most legally significant, is the Miranda issue. Miranda warnings were delivered at approximately 7 minutes into the encounter after Kevin had already made multiple incriminating statements. Under Berkemer v. McCarty, 1984, Miranda is not required during a non-custodial investigatory stop. Kevin's pre-arrest admissions that he had the bottles, that he took them from Target, that he lacked money to pay are almost certainly admissible on that basis. The vulnerability lies in what happened after Miranda was read. The officer continued questioning without first confirming Kevin's waiver of rights. Under Missouri v. Siebert, 2004, interrogation that continues after Miranda delivery. without an explicit waiver creates grounds for suppression of post-advisement statements. Kevin's most damaging statement, that he intentionally took the merchandise because he had no money, came after Miranda and without a confirmed waiver. That admission directly supplies criminal intent, a required element under Illinois compiled statutes, Chapter 720, Section 5, 1625. Defense counsel will move to suppress it. Prosecution will rely on pre-Miranda statements instead. The pre-Miranda record is strong enough to survive.
So, where'd you get the frickin' news? We're gonna find out in about 8 seconds, so it'd be nicer if you just cooperate. Because we all know.
Pick the one you can show one you can see.
Huh?
You already know.
Right, so did you take it from Target? Okay. Where's the cat?
Hey, they got the cat.
I go outside and
Let me ask you this.
Hey, brother, could you tell? Can you tell? Heading over to Bill Park.
Might be able to get it.
Okay.
Could you do me a favor?
All right, let me ask you this, Kevin. Did you have any intention of buying it? You did? Did you have any money to purchase it?
I do, but I just figured out all that's why I don't have an ID on me.
Okay. So instead of coming back at another day with your money, you just took it.
I don't have enough time to get there and back before the close.
Okay. You heard it?
I'm sorry, what did you say?
They're gonna do the show up.
Yeah,
Even though I sent a picture and you said probably.
yeah. Okay.
As long as he's coming. We're not taking him, so.
stand up over there.
Kevin, can you stand right here?
Yeah, we're gonna. You can keep smoking.
Right here, Kevin.
Victor one.
Front side.
Ten four.
What do you want to do?
What do you think you should do?
Huh?
What do you think you should do? What would you do?
Well, we should get a total. Because those Hennessy's got.
He said it. What is?
150.
He said it was 120.
120. It was less than 150. I don't. Are you sure?
He said 120, but I mean, it's 3 hours ahead. So.
All right, finish your cigarette.
We'll bring it back. How about that? I'm gonna bring this back. I'll bring it back
Yeah.
over there. I'll get a
Double
training
check,
receipt for you,
yeah.
and then we'll
Eddie?
get the training receipt and all that
Yeah,
stuff.
because I
it could
think
be
it's more than that.
right around.
One additional factor: merchandise value. 2 bottles of Hennessy at approximately $120 to $150 each places the total near or above $300. That $300 threshold is the line between a Class A misdemeanor and a Class 4 felony under Illinois retail theft law. The confirmed receipt from Target, which the officer specifically requested, will determine which charge applies. That single document controls Kevin's maximum exposure. Officer CO 2849 receives a B+. The stop was properly initiated, the pat-down was legally executed, and the Miranda advisement was complete and timely relative to the custodial trigger. The single deduction. Continuing to question Kevin after Miranda without confirming a waiver, one follow-up question would have closed that gap entirely. Kevin receives a C+. He complied physically throughout, which prevented escalation and likely contributed to the officer's expectation of a quick release. However, Kevin voluntarily supplied every element the prosecution needs without ever invoking his Fifth Amendment right to silence. He answered questions he had no legal obligation to answer at every stage of the encounter, before and after Miranda. The lesson from this footage is straightforward. Silence costs nothing. Kevin's cooperation cost him a prosecutable case built almost entirely from his own words. The Fifth Amendment right to silence exists precisely for moments like this, not because a person is guilty, but because voluntary admissions are permanent. For officers, one sentence, "Do you understand these rights?" and "Do you wish to speak with me?" eliminates the post-Miranda waiver gap entirely. Procedural discipline in the field is what separates a solid arrest from a preventable suppression hearing. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.